So this is the coast key system, and essentially it's a wireless kill cord. So this sends a signal to the helm, it will pick that up and the engine will run until the signal is cut off by falling in the water or losing it through being too far away, and that should work just like a normal kill cord but wirelessly. So you're free to move around the boat, do the anchor, put the fenders out, but it still works just like a kill cord. So if you press the on button, it's a little vibration to let you know that it's working. You start the engine with the start, and you can raise or lower the engine using these remote control buttons. So now, if I pretend I'm going to fall off the boat, it should cut the engine just like a normal kill cord. So let's see if it works. There we go. As you can see, the engine has cut off, the signal is cut off, and everything is safe. And if you look at this little remote control now, you can see it's flashing to let you know that it's triggered, and it's vibrating so I can feel it. Now if I reset it, get it off, on again, and start the engine. And we'll just test that again, show you once again. Engine's cut. So these are the two parts of it. You've got the remote control and the actual receiver that sits tucked away underneath the helm on a little Velcro pad. And once it's triggered, this will start the engine so the crew can pick you up. Let's give it a go. There you go. I've just heard the engine fire up outside, so the crew can now go and pick up the skipper if he's fallen overboard with the actual remote control. The other nice thing about this is that if you've forgotten to bring the coast key remote control, you can still start the boat with a special 4-pin code. So you just enter the numbers, wait to know that it's confirmed it. There you go, that's confirming that it's heard the first number. Put in the remaining of the sequence, and then you can start the engine just again by pressing the button. 3 minutes later, you can then stop it again. So even if you've completely forgotten to bring the key or lost it altogether, you can still start the boat. The coast key comes all pre-wired for your particular engine. So it just literally clips in place, should be no more than a 20-minute job at most. To alter the ignition, slot that in, and you're ready to go. And equally, if there is a problem with this, you can unplug it and it will work just with the old keys as it always did in the first place. So there's plenty of failbacks. You're never going to get caught out with a lost key or a flat battery or anything else. You'll always be able to start the boat if you need to.